Alrighty, welcome back to Good Time with the Goodmans, and today we're gonna make marshmallows.
Life is good.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
All the ingredients is on a table. All the measurements will be on the screen. We'll have vanilla, pure vanilla, light corn syrup, gelatin, water, powdered sugar, and regular sugar. Okay. So this recipe is pretty simple, but it is very, very, very messy. Okay.
Yes.
But we're gonna have fun. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna have fun making marshmallows. All right. So let's get started.
Okay, first thing we're going to do is put a half a cup of water in a mixing bowl. And then we're going to add the gelatin. Go ahead, Nala, put the gelatin in the bowl. Good job, good job. Go ahead, Ryan, put your gelatin in. Good job, yeah. So now we have that in the bowl. We're just going to set that to the side and we're going to mix the other ingredients in the pot.
Alrighty, now we're going to add the ingredients that we have to cook onto the stove. Now we'll put in the water. Raya put in sugar.
Oh.
And Mom will put in the corn syrup. All the measurements is going to be on the screen once again. Just gonna give that a quick little stir like so. Quick little stir. Alright. We're gonna take this to the stove and we're gonna cook this till it reaches 240 degrees. Okay. Easiest way to test that is get you a cold cup of water. And when you feel like it's thick enough, to drop a little ball in there. If it forms a solid, that means that it's good to go. If it's too hard, that means that the temperature is too high. And if it dissolves, that means that it's not done. Okay? So let's go ahead and take it to the stove now. Okay? Take it to the stove. I feel like doing that. We're just going to mix this a little bit to get kind of thick. Like I said, to 240 degrees. You can use a candy thermometer or the water drop method to get this completed. Okay. Alright, we're getting a good, nice bubble action there. Very nice. Not the quite consistency that we want yet, but we're getting a nice little bubble up. Bubble, 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 toys in trouble. So this is about the consistency that we want right here. Right there. Alright, so I'll turn the fire off and let's get back to the table. Alrighty, now we're back. We're gonna add the mixture from the stove into the bloom gelatin. Okay.
Okay.
It's very hot, so you gotta be very careful.
Wow.
Make sure you get all of that in there. Burn your nose off.
It's hot. Burn. It's burn, Daddy.
Hot, yeah, hot. We're gonna add some pure vanilla into it as well. And we're gonna give this a nice little stir, okay? It looks like we're good and done here. Get a nice little sticky consistency like that. Nice and silky.
Woo!
Alrighty.
It's done, Baba.
Get a little dab taste down.
Absolutely fabulous.
Tasty.
Want to taste it too? Try it. Like it? Pretty good? Tasty? Alrighty. Let's pour it up. Alrighty, here we have the mixture. And we're going to pour it in the pan that contains the confectioner sugar
Yummy.
and vegetable oil.
Yeah.
Alright, we have all the marshmallows set into the pan. We're going to set this in the refrigerator for 4 hours and let it set, and then we're going to cut it after 4 hours. Alrighty guys, we are back. It's time to cut our marshmallow now, and it's time to get messy. Alrighty? Alright, so it's been 4 hours now. It has been in the refrigerator. So first thing we do, we're going to sprinkle a little powdered sugar on top of this guy first.
So our hands won't stick on it.
Just a little bit. Okay.
Yummy.
It works better with a shifter, of course. So you're going to sprinkle it pretty good in there. And then you're going to make sure you put some on your hands as well.
Daddy, you want to try?
Messy.
Just watch mommy daddy first, okay?
Alright, so you put some on your hands.
Hey, I messed it. Hey, I messed it,
Put a little bit on here. This is, let me
Mommy,
this is
Daddy,
going to be messy.
I
So, just live with it. We don't care. We're going to clean up it. Okay? Alright, let's get that out of there.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Next
Sprinkle some more of that on there.
Wait.
So,
Do you want me to try?
you want to try too?
Yeah.
Alright, try.
I'll try too.
Listen to now.
From your hand like this. Alright, like this. Okay.
Whoa! Marshmallows!
Sprinkle it, smooth it out. Yeah, that's the secret though, man. You gotta
Look at Daddy. Daddy.
without the
will
powdered
make
sugar,
it
you
more
pretty much
thicker.
can't do anything.
Wait, the culprit.
Alrighty.
Watch out, Ranala.
We'll give these guys a taste real quick.
Nala wala.
We're not gonna hold y'all guys up too much. We know y'all pretty busy, so we'll give these guys a pretty good taste and
Yummy.
see how everything tastes. And get on by your lives. Here you go.
Wow.
Here you go.
Oh.
There you go. Try it out. That's pretty good mushroom. Thank you guys for tuning in with us today. Another video of our sweet treat series. So make sure you like, follow, subscribe to Good Times with the Government's on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And we see you guys later on. Remember that Nickelodeon show? It was like the big smiley thing. What his name was? Dang. He'd always come on. I forgot what his name was. Oh, his name was Face. Remember?
Oh yeah, face.
Yeah. He had a joke that he always used to say all the time. Oh. Yeah, that was the joke. He said, what happened when you ate too much sugar?
I don't know.
So he got smacked. See you guys next week. Thank you. you.
Don't ever do that again.